The weather was getting pretty good, so we decided to fulfill today's plan and for the sunset go towards the hill of Dyrhólaey. From the Iceland Road 1, we take a road 218 and follow it for about 5 kilometers. We end up in the parking lot at the end of it. Doesn't look too bad. Maybe half an hour and we're all the way up. The road to the top is closed in the winter time, so we need to take a short hike about half an hour to get to the top of Dyrhólaey. The best spot for this shot is behind this electricity pole. It is very exposed. It is placed right in the middle of the beach. On top of that, there's nothing in front of it in the foreground. No rocks, no vegetation, no nothing. The composition here is pretty simple. We pretty much shoot straight to the beach. We focus more on the beach than on the sky and make sure that nothing in the foreground disturbs the frame. So let's start to edit this photo. So firstly, we're going to remove some dust spots from the sensor. There are some spots on the right, one on the left. Yep. And let's straighten the horizon. It seems that it's a little bit off, so we're going to use the ruler for that. Something like that. A bit better. Okay. So next we're gonna check the lens corrections. So we're gonna remove the chromatic aberrations. They can be mostly visible in the high contrast areas, like where the water hits the beach. So let's do that. And now we can start editing the image. We're gonna focus first on the sky. So we're gonna lower the highlights as much as possible to bring out the details in the sky. And let's bring out the color of the sky. We're shooting in RAW, so the image is pretty flat. Just a little bit, something like that. Okay. Let's increase the contrast a little bit. Maybe a little bit more. We don't need to worry that the bottom part is so dark now. We're gonna fix that later. So let's do that. So we're gonna increase the blacks. I'm using the blacks to maintain the contrast in the dark areas. Alright. So now we can work on the bottom part of the picture, where the beach is. So we're going to use a graduated filter for that, a small one right on the horizon. And we're going to increase the exposure just a little bit, really. We can see that the snow is a little bit gray, so we can increase the whites to bring just the snow. And the last thing, we can bring out some more details from the black beach. So we're gonna increase the shadows just a little bit. Yep, looks good. So at the very end, we're gonna do two things. We're gonna sharpen the image. You can use the mask on it just to sharpen the beach part only, not to include the sky. So we're gonna hit Alt and move the slider. The white parts are the ones that where the sharpening works. The black part is when it does not work. And the last thing we're gonna do is to put a vignette on the picture, just to focus an eye on the middle part. So just a little bit, something like that. And that's it.